Şimdi, all right. The problem is that some of my notes are a bit risky to be seen, so I'm just going to close it. Okay. Okay. Anyways, this is my first live stream experiences, one of my first experiences, so it happens. So what about today? Maybe I can arrange the what was the and maybe like part two. Let's say part two. All right. It's set. What else? So some people want to have these in Twitter. By the way, like the sound comes from where? Okay, it comes from my AirPod. That's great. And this is part two. Here is live. Maybe like having a different yeah, this one. Maybe I can have something. Okay, let's hope I will not have weird photos here. Do I have myself? Like maybe like I have. Okay, it's yeah, it's I have my photos where I dance. Maybe I can put those, or like I can have something. Anyways, I don't think it's that necessary. Um, yeah, because like I want to specify this because I don't want anyone to come here just for the sake of supporting me. Because um, no need to come here to support me. These videos will be lengthy and I don't want to take your time. I mean, some people come here for just for the sake of having fun or just witnessing myself, but anyways, I'm just overthinking probably. I'll just anyways. Okay. Whatever. Okay, it's gone. So I'm not sure. So currently I don't have any viewer. That's perfect. That's relieving. Okay, I'll close. I'll just, there's a, okay. All right, so let's start after having 5 minutes of total nonsense. All right, so for this purpose, where we were left on. So, okay, I have this goal to accomplish in June 2023. I would like to have some $1 purchase this month. And when it happens, um, as a donation, I'm thinking of having a donation. When it happens, it becomes monthly recurrent revenue actually, because in this month I will be having at least $1 of purchase, and this $1 will help me. I mean, it will mean $1 MRR. So yeah, that's only for June. So okay, um, there are some updates. For example, okay, this is still the idea that I have. I will build a free-to-use product, but put donate me button underneath with this buy me a coffee. You may remember that I asked one of the one of the people using this platform, uh, who was living in Turkey. I asked her, and she answered me that you can't you can receive money to your Turkish bank account. That's possible, but there are some restrictions. For example, you need to earn some amount of money to transfer the money to your bank account. So I believe it was $50 or so. So okay, anyways, I don't want to receive $1 to my bank account. That's not one of my purposes. So that's okay, but just wanting to keep in mind. Um, all right. So another idea that another product alternative that I had was actually uh, different from this Fine Latin Night. It's about rejection therapy. What is rejection therapy? Rejection therapy is basically um, so like I have a considerable amount of fear of rejection. I believe it affects my life to some degree, and that's why I'm just really into this daily rejection thingy. It's the idea is that you want to experience enough rejection, preferably daily, so that you will you will not overcome that fear, but you will gain some kind of freedom. You, I mean, fear of rejection always will impact your decisions, that's for sure, but maybe like its effect will decrease a bit, and a bit is something that I hope to happen. I like in this June, I also have a goal of having daily rejection. Anyways, that's a different topic, but I wanted to mention this daily rejection idea topic so that maybe I can build some product that encourages people to have to get daily rejections, and maybe some kind of like idea generator, or maybe some kind of tracking that thingy. Because like, if you like, for example, if I think that I will do like 30 days of daily rejection therapy, I feel like the hard thing that I'm about to do today, for example, asking some carrot juice from Starbucks, will become easier for me to do, because then I'll say that for 30 days I will be doing this. So it's part of a huge process, part of a process. So like I'll be more confident, I guess, because I will be trusting the process not to today's action. So like so these are the challenges this guy did: borrowing $100 from a stranger, requesting a burger refill and stuff. But the like also, like, this guy did it. Also, some other guy from TikTok made it, I believe. There are some blog posts that somebody wrote about her experience. It was very, very eye-opening. Um, Maybe I can target that audience, target the audience that wants to apply rejection therapy and stuff. Anyways, this will be the next goal. This can be the next application for June. Should I write it here? Um, I mean, like, you can have rejected.com, but oopsie. I mean, that can be a website, but should I write it there? Should I? Let's write. Yeah, I'm just going to do this like here. Okay, like here, but I don't know the name of it. Another, let's say like this. What was the name? Like daily rejection calendar? Maybe it can be that, or like idea generator. I think like it really leads the it really affects how we live. So that can help people to overcome their fears and live freely, because like freedom is mostly like we reject ourselves most of the time, while you know, you may want to meet with some people, but you don't feel like you're in there. I mean, he may be the CEO of a company, but why you can talk to him. You can approach people, like you can approach famous people in the street. Why not? Uh, or like you can you can like ask to drive a motor that you like in the street. I mean, you can ask. Anyways, that's I'm just product that helps people that want to get anyways, maybe I can ask it to my therapist also, ask her opinions. So that's another topic. Maybe like I'll just um, find. How can this is this? Ah, I see. Find Latin night. That's the so find Latin night. Daily rejection therapy stuff. Anyways, I mean, okay. Do I have a viewer? Yeah, I have a viewer. It's exciting. It becomes exciting. Okay, anyways, that's a whole another topic. But right now, I just want to focus on this Find Latin Night website. what was this website? It's a website that shows the Latin dance night events around your city. There are pain points, like when you go to a new city, or when you're in a city that daily dance nights emerge and disappear, and you want to see the dance nights today, tomorrow, or next weekend. You will only enter this to this website, so it will be very quick. Like, you will just enter it, you will go there, and you will start seeing the events right away. I mean, a goal is that with with the minimum amount of clicks. Okay, so right, so this okay, what about today? What will we do in this part two? I am planning to decide on the sketches of the website. Okay, so we had a sketch that my sister made. This is event box, maybe you can call it as that. There is the date, there is the title, there is the price. These are the hours, these are the location, dress code, and the details. And when you click to details, you will go to a website which shows details. So for UI UX design, I will get help from my sister. She will help me to create the Figma files, the design files for me, and from then I will take on that design files, and hopefully will make the front end work. So all right, so let's open ChatGPT. This is one of my friends yesterday, my friend from university, Mehmet Sat. So, oh no, that's my my ChatGPT history is also very I don't want to show it. Anyways, how can I erase it? Oh, I'm so newbie in this. I believe I can't. Maybe like I can I can close the display capture. Let me check whether it's being seen on the website. I will check that. Okay, it works. So I will delete my ChatGPT history, or maybe I won't need to. All right, no need to hide. Just again overthinking. Okay, it's right here. That's great. So this will be live. We'll use this. Okay, actually, let's do it as that. Let's. Okay. So next steps. I need to decide on the sketches of the websites. Okay. I need to. Okay, I have an idea that I will. Let's copy paste this, which is a website that shows the Latin dance night events around your city. I'm planning to start with Istanbul currently. Okay, is the city. Okay. Flow, like, yeah, maybe. I want to build the sketches of the website. What are the next steps for me? If, by the way, like my one and only viewer can drop some idea. If, what? Okay, that's a great idea for a website. Okay, AI says that, so like we're good. I don't think so. Building sketches is a good way to visualize your concept before diving into the actual development process. Here are the next steps you can consider. Define your website's goal and target audience. Clearly identify the purpose of your website and the specific audience you want to cater to. Understanding your target audience will help you design a user-friendly interface and prioritize the features that matter most to them. All right. Let's I mean, define your website goal and target audience. So like purpose of your website. Helps to find Latin dance nights. I mean, easily, okay? Maybe like with uh with with very few clicks and around your city with very few clicks and I mean purpose of that it helps to find Latin dance night in your city with very few clicks and accuracy. Like I mean by accuracy I mean that the knowledge should be correct. Okay. I mean, but the main part is to be like doing this with very few clicks, okay? Just fast, like you will just enter that fast. So the specific audience you want to like audience. So audience is actually like yesterday my friend asked me like what is the time of the dance night today? Okay, there's a dance night today in Kadıköy. He wants to learn the hours of it and maybe like price. But the main question he asked was what was the hours of that dance night? And like he asked me this and waited at like maybe like 5 minutes uh to for me to answer it. But he doesn't need to. Like he can enter the website just very quickly and see it by himself. And maybe like we can have some extra links that he can you can check whether it is correct or not. I mean, you can check the accuracy of it. Am I just being so slow, or I'm not sure. I think this kind of stuff is a bit important. I don't think like I think it will help. Let's see. So audience, yeah, like my friend is also an audience. I can be the audience of it today. Really, most of the times I need it. I don't want to go to a random Instagram page to check the details of it, okay? When I go to Instagram, I became lost in Instagram. DMs, reels. Okay, people also lost during this process. Just check out, go to the website, check out it. Now you're okay. So like my idea that the audience will be okay, first of all, like people who I mean probably like social Latin dancers. Let's be more specific. People who dances social Latin dances or wants to social Latin dances and who wants to see the upcoming events in their city. So people who dances social Latin dances or wants to dance social Latin dances and wants to see the upcoming events. Or maybe like new events. Okay, upcoming events. Like no, not really. I don't think another like people dance. Maybe like what can be the audience like? Maybe some like these organizers, dance night organizers. But how can they use this website? I'm not really sure how will they use this website. Maybe I can ask someone that, do you think you can use this website or not? But no, like I don't want like just I think we need to be specific. Like I don't want to design a website for multiple audiences. I just want to like for the people who dances regularly or like who wants to dance, who wants to go to a like actual like um I don't want to build a website for organizers. I'm just going to check the what I forgot to share the screen. Am I? No. Sorry. It's live. Okay. No problem. All right. I will delete Dance Night Organizers. It's gone. I will check my phone. And anyways, it's getting hot. All right. Um, the audience is that. Okay. Conduct market research. I'm sorry, I just got lost after reading the messages. Conduct market search. Explore the existing websites or platforms that provide similar services. Analyze their features, design, and user experience. This will help you identify gaps in the market and find ways to differentiate your website. So, like market research, I think like we've made it over here. There's this guy. Like, is there any other like? I believe someone said if a dance live. I think they were showing the daily events as far as I remember. I guess this. So it's Turkish, half Turkish, or like mostly Turkish. For example, this is Friday. Let's check the events on Friday. It doesn't show the tonight's dance nights, so I guess it's not up to date. Or they show only their dance events. These are the one of the organizers, so that's why probably. I'll just write Istanbul Dance Gecesi, which means dance night Istanbul. So dance nights in Istanbul. I'll just so this is also an outdated 2021 from 2021. So that's good times because these are the prices to enter these dance nights. It was very cheap. It's it's more than 20 times of that currently, unfortunately. So there is a Istanbul Salsa Night Facebook group. What do they do? I mean, okay. Anyways, so like it's weird. I don't think any other market players for this Istanbul dance night have Latin dance night. Oh yeah. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Foursquare. This can be a competitor. I don't think they have any like featured events, but they're not they're like festivals, dance website. It shows the regular dance nights, like very famous dance night of Istanbul. It shows that website. It asks if you know a website listing events in this location. Maybe we can use this link. Yeah, maybe we can use Latin dance calendar, but like okay, like hotels and deals, it's a different business area there. So like there is also like this website dance partner already has an working uh, working working product. It already has a working product, but it's not being shown in Google. Maybe like I said, find salsa night in Istanbul. It still okay. Now it shows the events as in this form. It's June 16 and it shows June 14. Anyways, so that's I think like, okay, let's go back. It says explore the existing websites or platforms that provide similar services, and I believe the is the only part competitor. A live competitor. Okay. Analyze their features, design, and user experience. This will help you identify gaps in the market and find ways to differentiate your website. So we did this previously. This Dance Partner'in website is mostly designed for being a social platform containing all like people post their pictures and like yeah, it has different purposes. And when you open this that website, it shows like too much information. First of all, like you can sign up, you can watch videos, like listen music, I guess. You can search for the dance schools, and like shows the people who are shows the users. So, but the good part of it is really that it has a platform that shows the dance night, and I think it's a very good design. I think it's a very good design actually. Like it shows the map view of these events. It doesn't filter by like when you enter to this website. I think like you should be able to filter by city. I just want to do it right away. Like uh, I don't know your opinion, but so I'll just get my notebook. So when you enter to the website, I want it to open very, very quickly, okay? I want it to open very quickly, just in a second. I want to open it very quickly and it will ask you a question and you'll have a text box over here, okay? Um, Maybe like it can be like this text box can also be like selected with Istanbul at first. Maybe like maybe the currently like Istanbul version can work too. Maybe I can when you enter to this website, maybe like I can. Okay, so imagine this is being a website. Okay, I'm not sure how will it look. Okay, I'm going to do something crazy because I do some things crazy. So this will be the website. Okay, let's. So this will be the to find latinnight.com. Okay, find latinnight.com. All right. When you enter to this website, there will be multiple boxes like this. Okay. So these will be the event boxes. These will be the event boxes. So first, like, I have an event in my mind. Okay, today we have an event which is Vedans Moda Latin Night. What I will do is that I will enter their website. I will check out the dance night thingy. Okay, this is actually the proper post of this dance night. Okay, they sent it from Instagram, and that's all information we have. So it's called Vedans Latin Night. Okay, name of it is that. So I will just put it here, like Vedans Latin Night. I will put it as this. Let me check the. Okay, Vedans Latin Night. Okay, then what I will do is that it's on 16th of June. So let's have it like June 16. Okay, and price of it is not listed here, but yeah, I mean, they don't show it here. It's nonsense, man. I know the price from the WhatsApp group. I think, like, how will people know actually the price of it? I mean, I think they are expecting people to come there just for the event, not for the price. But anyways, that's their decision. So that's the price. You like 100 Turkish lira. I wrote it like that. So actually, like, I'm just copy pasting my sister's design. So, like, for the picture here, I want to provide a picture of the area, like, so that's the place. I want to take the picture of this place. So, like, how can I? This is the look. This is the picture that I like to have. Okay, that's because why? Because it shows that the area is wide. The lightings are acceptable. It is okay, and like the demographics is very like they're like it's varied. Let's say it's not just old guys and old ladies. Sometimes it happens, and like it seems well air conditioned because some people wear jackets and stuff. So these are good intentions, like good things to note actually. So I would put that image right here. Okay, people dancing here, like there are like chairs there. Anyways, that's the picture of it. So what else? So like the hours of it. So it will be from 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. I'll put it over there. And what else? Like the location is important. Kadıköy is the location, okay? And place is important. It's Moda Spor Kulübü. And what else? Distribution of music. It's 50% salsa, bachata. Okay. There's no kizomba in it. Dress code. Do we have dress code? No. Maybe we don't need to specify. Do we have workshops? No. Do we have our like yeah we specify demographics is like I think like it's no need to specify it. So I'm thinking of having this kind of thing. So let's see. This is the date, name of the event, maybe like name of the event series. Like this, maybe this happens every week or so. So people will recognize this pretty easily. Price, the hours, location, the place, and the distribution of music. But in some events, dress code becomes important. In some events, or maybe that's for some people, workshops become important. So I'm not sure. Like I'm not like maybe like this. Maybe I don't need to specify Kadıköy because when you click on Moda Spor Kulübü, people will be directed to the Google Maps, and that will be enough for them. Maybe that can be yeah. I think it makes sense right now. I mean, there will be emojis by the way. Like there can be clock, and for the location we can have another like for salsa bachata we can have some like. Anyways, I'm just these are the emojis. Anyways, where was I? We were going over the chat GPT's thingy, but I got lost. I'll give a 5 minute break. Actually, I'll just continue from where I left off. I'm tired, man. I think I'll order myself something. Any comments? Hi Atancım. Yeah. What to order? Usually I order pide. But like I've been eating it for 2 days. I'll just probably try something else. Or should I do it again? Like maybe I can have some soup and lahmacun. That's sounds good. Sounds good. Anything else that I can have? Anything else that I can have is no. So çorba, lahmacun. Yeah, let's have that. Acılı with spice. Okay, I think it's okay right now. Yeah, let's order it. And here we go. A soup and 2 lahmacun. It's lahmacun is a bread with meat. I will show. It's 65 Turkish lira. So how much it becomes? It becomes very. It's a very cheap right now. And it's delicioso. I know the space where you should go. So I made myself a tea. Okay, let's go. Let's go. It's coffee. So I will put my put the AirPods on. Okay, so where were we left on? So conduct market search, analyze their features, design, and user experience. So I think this post, this image, okay, I don't think it's relevant. I mean I wouldn't look at it. I think this is good. This is really good. At some point, I would want this because it shows the locations in a way that you can easily inspect that, okay, I'm living here and the best possible places for me to go is this, or maybe with some transportation with this. Okay, and map view is great. I think like map view, maybe, yeah, that's map view. I think like I think it's perfect. What else is perfect in their platform? I think they filter out, or do they? No, they don't filter out. Anyways, that's important. That's not important. Like, first of all, this is too much crap. This part. Nobody will need this. Nobody will need to should need to look at this. Also, there's an ad. I don't want ad because ads become, especially, for example, this is their ad actually. This is an ad for their website, but anyways, it's really irrelevant. It breaks the good design of this website, I believe. No ads. Ads down. Ads and should, like, is it banners or stuff like this? Ad, this part. This part is, I call them as banner. Okay. I don't think it's very good. What else? I mean, it's faulty. Like, this is not 21th of June. It's faulty. I mean, it has bugs, which I think which decreases the beauty of website, which decreases the user experience, which affects negatively. What else? So like, I think uh, I think like multiple cities in this view. I think this is very very uh, like, I can understand it's Ankara, but someone may say that, okay, Ankara can be in Istanbul too. Okay, a foreigner would may say that. So I think if you want to show dense events in a list view, they should be somewhat close to each other. Okay, and this is especially not. So I think it's a very very bad. It's a very bad for user experience. And I think they have filters. Should we filter? Let's filter that, because like they have different. Say, okay, what will we say? Can I say Istanbul? I mean, is it working? Okay, it seems to be working. It's working good. So for today, oh, it's not working good. Wow, it's not working good because like you can see that for 16th. So like, I filtered with Istanbul and I see this, but I don't see this. Let's see. Very interesting. I don't. Allah Allah. Because like there is an event in Kadıköy today. It's called Fest. It's not this. It's, yeah. I mean, their map view is good, but map view is good, but shows an event. I think it's very future event. It's like 6 days later. Like, it doesn't make sense to have that. My English is slowly going to Turkish accent. Anyways, so very future events, very distant events. Ads, banners, bugs, multiple cities in this view. What else? So these post images. I mean, I again, I wouldn't look at those because they're also like outdated. Look at this. It's the 14th of April. Okay, so it's also like it doesn't contain the all dance nights. For example, the dance night tonight that I will join is not listed in here. Coverage is not that great. I mean, let's say that. Okay, let's do this. Sorry. Box, multiple cities in this view. Post images, coverage. What else is? I mean, it's their design. I think it's very easily understandable. Like the date here, the time here, the name of the event, and they say like it's oh, it updates the location. That's good. That's good. Um, I mean that's individual event boxes are good. Let's say, let's even admit that. Probably we can steal their design. I mean, I don't think it will be called as stealing, but I mean, I don't think etkinlik ayrıntılar it means event details, but it's just straightforward translation of the English name, and this one is also like the straightforward translation of English version of that meaning. Okay, let's bring some action, man. Come on. Okay, so what else? I think that's all for now. Identify gaps in the market and find ways to differentiate your website. Okay, that's it. I can bring some map view, but not now. I don't think I will be able to do that right now because maybe it's easy. I don't know, but not now. Let's just quickly bring up the product and we'll see it the next. I will not bring any app to my website. The aim of doing this is to have a free to use product and put a donate me button below. Okay, that's it. No ads. Banner. There will not be any sign-ins. There will not be any extra information, any any more tabs in the above banner. Okay, we will, when you enter to this website, all you will see and all you want to do will, I mean, when you check anything, any text in that website, it will, I want it to like, I want it to be about an event. Okay, I don't want to see a text of an ad or something like Instagram page or stuff. I don't want to describe the website also. I think my food has come. Yay, my food has come. I'm going to take it. Take it, take it, take it. Yeah, take it. Take it, take it, take it, take it. I just don't want to eat it right now, here, because I don't like eating in my table, on my table. But I just want to show the lahmacun. Okay, mention me that mention me that you want to try lahmacun, and I will buy you a lahmacun. So this is lahmacun. It's a very thin bread with meat on top, and it's very spicy and beautiful. I will be back in 20 minutes or so. I will keep the live stream on, because why not? I will be back soon. Maybe a good Can I bring some kind of text box here, like I'll be back and stuff, and maybe like image, maybe. Okay, I took the image. I will write. Um, hmm. Anyways, I think it's okay. I will just airdrop this to myself. Come on, man. Let's airdrop this.
Alright, let's open airdrop. Now it will see probably. Then it's, let's put it over here. Let's add image. Image file will be okay. Desktop. Fine. Wanna break that? That's. All right. That's okay. Here I am, back again. Um, yeah, let's close this. Let's open the comments. Nobody's watching. We are all by ourselves. Um, what else? What else? Let's start after having the soup and lahmacun. Um, all right. What else? So let's start. Motivation. Give me some music from the back, man. I do have a small GBL. Let's have something nice here. I want bachata songs. That's good. Okay. I want you to connect to this air.
All right, we're connected to the microphone. So, bachata. Okay. So I'm closing this one. I'm closing. Where was I? Where was I? So I did market search. I was around here, outline the main features. Outline the main features. Make a list of the key features you want to include on your website. For related analysis events platform, some potential features could be event listings, filters to search by date or location, venue information, ticket purchasing options, user reviews, and social sharing capability. These are pretty good features. I wasn't expecting. Like, my first feature that came up to my mind was just event listings. Okay, I think that will give the most buck of the what do they say, like it will bring the most impact. Okay, this is the impact that I want to be using. Okay, so initial sketch, event photo. I mean, they say like events and event listings and stuff. Listing can be called as that, or we can just call it as event. I don't want, I just want to have like main feature, okay? Only event listing, okay? I don't want to have a filtering thingy. I just want to event listing ordered by date, okay? That's all. Ordered by date. So like the structure will be like enter find that in that site. No need to enter your city for now, okay? Okay. Of course, in ascending order, okay? That's it. So like with one enter, you will be able to see all the events happening in Istanbul. Okay, that is super helpful. Anyways, okay, I'm just motivating myself by by shouting. Anyways. So there will not be a filter at first. Venue information. I mean, they will show the venue, but like at first I think they don't need to click on the event thingy. Maybe like details would be good. Maybe if it clicks on the name of the event, we can redirect them to the actual event post. Okay, I think that's good. So sketch wireframes, create rough sketches or wireframes of your website's layout and page structure. Wireframes are basic, simplified representations of each page that focus on the placement of elements, functionality rather than aesthetics. You can use tools like pen and paper, design on software or online wireframing tools to create those sketches. So I will just use Draw.io, which is what I have most experience on. So let's have a rectangle of as this. Let's have a box over here, which will fine, latinnight.com. Okay, that's all. So that will be the website, and let's have a line over here. Can we just I'm not sure it's perfectly linear. Okay, looks good enough. Okay, so then there will be round rectangles which will show the dance events. Okay, so the first things first, what will be there? We said that there will be a text here which will say June 16th. Okay, then another text box right here, right now, Vedans Latin night. Okay, I think it can be as this, Vedans Latin night. What else? Price box. $100. What else? Picture. This size. So okay. I think it should be lined with the text, and then there will be a text over here which will specify the time. Okay, let's increase it more, and there will be like an emoji here mentioning about time. This, no, maybe this. Yes, that's I think this one's good. That's the regarding the time. I think we can make them like that. I think like let's move like that. I think it should be as this. This should be also as that. Okay. That's the location, man. Location. So for location, we will have. Am I being so slow? That's always the question in my mind. Maybe this. I think there was something else for that, like location. Can I search from here? No. Let's see. Uh, no, no. I think there was a website for that. Um, just wait a second. Location emoji. Evet. Okay. I think they're using this thingy. Yeah, let's do it as that. I think let's push it a bit. Yeah. All right. So let's put some dollars to here. I mean, some kind of money. I think this is mostly used. Okay, that's acceptable. And the music, last but not least. Maybe that's not needed too. I don't know, man. Maybe we don't need that. They can take a look at the website and check that by themselves. I mean, I think this is better. Percent salsa, percent bachata. Okay. Mm-hmm. I think this is better, yeah. That's one thing. Then we can have something as up. No, like I just want to select some things. Anyways, I think this is the main design. I think it looks good. I don't know. It sounds like it looks good, I guess. Like very brief, like very beautiful. Okay, I will not shot this again. And it will continue as well, but my sister will be able to do that, I guess. So like, did we accomplish this thing, sketch the wireframes? I just want to mention that this part will redirect users to the post, to the original post of the event. Okay, I think that's by clicking this, users will be redirected. to the original post of the event. Okay, so like by clicking that, that's a thing. What else I should mention? That I think that let's do something as so because this will be June. Let's say June. Okay. Okay. I just want you to put your font. I just want you to be like this. Events are ordered by date. What else? I want it to be, yeah, like that. I think like we can have rounded like that, but I don't want you to be, I want your below part to be like, anyways, yeah, it's not fun. So like there will be scroll bar, I guess what it will be around here. Why it looks so good, man? I really enjoyed the design of it right now. Yeah, it just motivated me. Some like, anyways. So I mean, it looks better than this. Come on, come on. It's yeah, okay. It's very simple. Okay, what I think we mastered this fourth step. Sorry. O Cem Başkan came. I just said hello. So, okay, fifth step, design the user interface. My sister will do that. Once you have the wireframes ready, you can start working on the visual design of your website. Consider the color scheme, typography, overall branding that aligns with the spirit of Date and Dance. There are various design tools like Sketch, Figma, or Adobe XD that can assist you. Okay. I will let her know about the sketch, but maybe should I ask for an opinion before that? Should I take a screenshot of it and share it with the friends I know, okay? And they will give feedback, instant feedback. That can be a good thing. I mean, as a first step, maybe I can do that. I will stop sharing my WhatsApp. I mean, I will open WhatsApp. I will stop sharing my screen and ask for feedback. Like, let's do this like 15. It will take not much time. Okay, let's take some, yeah, JPEG of it. Download. Sorry, let's close that. Let's close that too. It's why the quality is terrible. Okay, let's do it as PNG. Download, man. Allah Allah. It's really interesting, yeah. Save, man. Okay. JPEG. Let's do this PDF. I think it's no, man. I will just take the screenshot of it, of this, because like no need for this much. I mean, no need for PDF actually. Okay, that's pretty good. I will take the screenshot of it, and I will share for feedbacks. Let's close display capture. I will. What? Let's do this like that. It will be a full screen of me. Why full screen? I don't know. For some before taking an action, I will ask for feedback. Meanwhile, I will have a water. Ah, by the way, the emojis are the emojis are trans emojis of this um thing. Let me show you. Emojis of this PDF is different. Look at this. Okay, I will need to update my camera. Wait, sorry. What will I do? I will just yeah. Okay. So look at this. This is a screenshot, and emojis are different. Anyways, that's not so important. This is a sketch. So I'm just going to display capture. I just turned off. So that's I'll just ask for I will okay. First things first. Let's see. Ben, okay, I will just check out all friends from dance. Um, yeah, let's see. Let's see. Um, okay. By the way, I'm having good feedback right now. I think I'm having some good comments right now. That's exciting. Anyways, that's enough, yeah. That's enough, most probably. I think, I mean, people like it. Ah, interesting, interesting. I'm getting excited very much. Let me see. Someone said that like, aren't you too late? I wasted my years on YouTube, on Google. That's a that's a perfect feedback to have. Like, uh, what? Anul, welcome. Yeah, this is my project. This is my project, and yeah, I am currently having feedbacks from from WhatsApp. Um, I'm getting a call, which doesn't make sense at all. Evet. Peki. Peki Şenem sen okay, I'm having some very good feedback. I'm feeling really lucky, and this air conditioning people, yeah, okay. Um, there's a good comments on the chat as well, but I'm feeling I'm getting lost. I need to wrap this up a bit. I think the feedbacks are okay. I think the feedbacks are okay. Yeah, there are rooms for improvement. They want to see the DJs, they want to see if there is a workshop or not. They want to be able to order by location they are in. For example, if I am in Istanbul, when I enter to the website, maybe for example, if I am in Üsküdar, which is on the Anatolian side, if when I enter to the website, I I I can have some kind of ordering by how distant I am to the possible events. Anyway, so like that's one thing. Should I wrap this up, or I think this is something yeah, these DJ. I updated the yeah, I'll talk about them. Yeah, I updated the dance night like the information on the detail page. I updated the thing in that. My English is I'm getting lost, man. I'm getting tired, probably because of that. So, hmm, yeah, someone said that notification can be added notification system, like you can save it. Uh, that's a good alternative. Let me say that. What else? Yeah, someone said that you can save the post and you can save the event and send notifications for it. Okay, I think I'm going to. Yeah, I think like I will stop here. Wow, I wasn't expecting this much feedback. I'm feeling um I really appreciate the friendships that I cultivated over last year actually. And like I wasn't expecting this much friendships. To be honest with you, perfectly honest with you. But yeah, like uh, yeah, I think the beauty of having an hobby is like attending to a hobby classes. the advantages is that people enjoy what they're doing, and when people enjoy, they you have great time together. And I think the beauty of it is that. Now I will start sharing my screen again. Here it is. This is the screen, and oh yeah, I think I will show just what I added here. So this is how I decide on attending a dance night thingy. Usually I look for the location, place, distribution of music, price, dress codes, workshops, hours, demographics, availability. By availability of food, I mean food and drinks. DJ, who is the DJ, and also like, okay, so I mean, there's a good ideas, of course, but like out of, yeah, I mean, sending notifications for the saved event makes sense, but yeah, I will just open the window. It's becoming hot over here. Yeah, like my aim is to build a very simple product. Yes, okay. Okay, I said that my aim is to build a very simple product that will make me $1 for now. Okay, so what else am I going to do right now? So decide on the schedules of the website. That's done. That's very much done, I think. Oops, oops, oops. I think, yeah, let's do this here. I will send the design. Okay, I'll say, John, I'll ask my sister to let's start this thing. No, okay, what I will do. Yeah, someone, someone said that send me your IBAN. I will. It's too funny, man. Too funny. Okay. Um. Okay. Comment from my sister. Okay. So now what? I sent the design to Canan. Let's write that. So I think I am done for the day. I can work on some things, but I mean, yeah, once the design came to me, I will, yeah, I will. I don't know much, to be honest, in the front end. Maybe I can start working on some front end stuff, but I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. Okay, should I call this a day or what? Should I continue? How will you handle the payments from here? That's the I mean, yeah, payment. I mean, in the long term, I will think about building the handling the payments. But at first, I want to gain some interaction. I want to have some like first goal is $1, and that's it for now. That's it for now. I'm getting excited after the feedbacks. So yeah, I am inclining to think more about those payments, but for now, I don't want to over complicate the things because I don't really, yeah, I don't know how the future tasks will be. So like front end implementation and the deployment of this website, I don't know how much it will cost. I don't know how uh, how well it will be. Um, anyways, so yeah, I mean, I think I will make myself coffee. I will continue. Yeah, let's get this moving. I don't have much to do today. I don't have much to do. I will go to a dance night. It is funny. I will go to a dance night today, and before that, I'm free. So I will do this. Probably we'll look at that front end and deployment stuff. Yeah, we'll chat with ChatGPT for that. No need to go fast. Let's yeah, let's have this. Um, can I mute my mic? I don't know. Let me see. I don't really know. Um, Um,
Evet, ben geldim. I came back. Okay, it's again and I'm returning back to English.
Um, okay, I think we are good to go. We're good to go. We are very, very much good to go. Can I save it somewhere? Maybe this will probably work. Okay, I can leave the page. Okay. So it's been 3 hours. That's pretty good. That's very much good. I will have some half an hour work. I am like, let's see. I was doing something here. I will bring my coffee. Sorry. Um, okay, so it says that like we had some feedbacks to the sketches. That's okay. We, I mean, we received the feedbacks. We can also have feedbacks on Figma, but I think, I mean, I can have feedbacks on Figma, but I think implementing the whole website would would be better. Why? Because let's open some music, man. Can I? But not now, I guess. Okay. I want to. So music, everything is okay. Okay. Usability concerns. I mean, I don't think we'll be able to detect them from the design. I just want to get prepared for the development. Create a detailed plan outlining the technology stack you'll use, the features you'll prioritize, and the timeline for development. I think the features is pretty much straightforward, okay? Timeline for development. Do I need to specify a timeline for development? Why should I include a timeline? I can do it in my own schedule because I'm a one man. This is a one man development. Yeah, it's important to consider mobile responsiveness. I'll just yeah, usability, responsiveness, and usability. That's important. I agree. That's uh, that's important. I think this can be implemented as this. Yeah, that um. I mean, yeah, there are a lot of like filters and stuff. I mean, filters, yeah, it makes sense for the future. Now we don't need that. We don't need that. Um, Okay. So next step, Canan completes designs. I will implement the website and deploy it. This is too ambiguous, okay? Yeah, I think this is the biggest, like the big part that is remaining to me, and I don't know much about that, to be honest. I mean, responsiveness is not something that I value right now. Usability is the one that I will value. Um, I really don't know. I really don't know. So, okay, let's talk with ChatGPT. Yeah, I don't know much about. I don't know much about front-end development. I have knowledge of developing backend with Django framework. I don't have much. I don't know much about deployment too. So, so I don't know what the tech stack will be. Any suggestions? Okay, so let's see. If you have experience with Django for the backend development, it's a great choice for building your website. Django provides a solid foundation for handling the server-side logic and database interactions. For the front end, you can consider using the following technologies that work well with Django. HTML, CSS, these are fundamental web technologies used for structuring and styling web pages. Having a basic understanding of HTML and CSS will be beneficial for creating the layout and visual design of your website. Okay, I know a bit about HTML. I've edited Django templates, if you know what I mean. I mean, I know what HTML code look like. I didn't really touch on CSS because yeah, I think yeah, I don't have much knowledge about CSS, but it's like I know it's a very it's for styling web pages, and yeah, I mean, I think I have a basic understanding of it. I think you do have a basic understanding of CSS, ChatGPT. Anyway, second thing is JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that adds interactivity to your web pages. It can be used to handle user interactions, perform client-side validation, and integrate with third-party APIs. Familiarizing yourself with JavaScript will allow you to enhance the user experience of your website. Django comes with a templating engine that allows you to generate dynamic HTML pages. You can use Django templates to render data from your backend and display it on the front end. Templates offer a convenient way to combine backend logic with front-end rendering. Yeah, I think that's. Can I do this with Figma design thingy? I don't know, to be honest with you. I don't know. I just checked for the chat in case some front end people is around. Nobody's watching. That's okay. That's okay. Bootstrap or other CSS frameworks. CSS frameworks like Bootstrap provide pre-designed components and styles that can help you quickly build responsive and visually appealing web pages. Deployment. For deploying your Django application, you have various options. Some popular choices include using platforms like Heroku, AWS, and Python anywhere. These platforms provide easy-to-use deployment options and handle many aspects of server configuration for you. Yeah, I will definitely use a cloud platform, but I want to use the free tier versions of it if I have one. When it comes to the tech stack, a typical setup for a Django web application may include Django, HTML, PostgreSQL, and keep in mind that this is just one example of a tech stack, and you can choose alternatives based on your preferences and specific project requirements. If you are new to front-end development or deployment, I recommend taking some time to learn the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are many online resources, tutorials, and courses available that can help you get started. Additionally, the Django documentation offers guidance on how to integrate front-end technologies into your Django project. All right, that would be helpful. Don't hesitate to ask for help from front-end developers or seek resources to support your learning process. Building a website often involves collaboration between front-end and back-end developers. So you may consider finding a front-end developer to work with you on your project. Man, this whole thing is to get an experience on all levels of web development, and I don't want to. I can collaborate on it. I'd like to collaborate, or am I? I think, yeah, I just want to do this by myself, actually, just to see the whole level of web development. I know that the goal is making one MRR, $1 MRR here, and I don't need to, I mean, but I want to do it as an indie hacker, so I just want to work on it by myself, or most of it. My sister will help for design, but I'll try to learn from her. That's the that's the thing. Thank you for your good wish. So, okay, imagine that I have a Figma file, a very basic file, and that will become, for example, what if there is no, I mean, we can design the Django side of it, like I can start working on the events. Events can have creation date times, update date times. They have date, can be a date range too. I mean, start date and end date can, maybe like start date time and end date time can be good. Yeah, I think like I can design the backend side of it, like the tables and stuff. System design they call in web in backend development mostly. System design. But I guess we can make it with ChatGPT quickly. Shall we? Shall we? I think shall we? We can do it. How much time? 15 minutes. It's okay. I think like with fit without Figma design. Do you see what I'm doing? So without Figma design, let's see how can I do it without Figma design. Maybe I can work on the models and stuff. Maybe views can be a later version, but I can start with the models. I'm too excited to do this because now it goes to the Django side, and now it feels a bit old friend of mine. Django's layouts, I think we were using a custom one in my previous project. Well, I'm getting excited actually. So yeah, which database that should we use or stuff? I mean, these are good questions. Maybe we can use only SQLite too. My friend told me that we can use SQLite as database and we can do the deployment on GitHub pages. I'm not sure if we can do deployment on GitHub pages. So like I think the main part here is that I don't want to pay money to keep this online. Okay, I think that's possible because I won't have much traffic. If I do have traffic, okay, you can do something with it. I mean, at some point I can have a traffic. Maybe this computer can be the server. Example, like I can use this computer as the server. People, but I'm not. I don't really know much about these cloud security thingy. You know, what if there happens a DDoS attack with so many requests and stuff? I may be overthinking a bit. Then that's why I'm going to open the window to take some air. All right, so yeah. Maybe I can ask this to my senior developers in my old company. That can be a good idea. Yeah, like let's open the raw.io and I mean let's talk about the databases because why not? Let's write this there here. I think I explain this. So okay, I want to define the database structure. ID, name, or title. It can have description, but I don't think. I mean, it can have description, just a text file, and it can have image. It will have image. What else? So there are much. So like place or location, we can call it as. Is does play bachata, does play salsa, does play kizomba. Oh, there's a very good song that's coming outside. Price is discount exists. Maybe that's something to add. Probably a dress code. I mean, for now, there's no need to have those because, like, I think the thing is here is that we will have this one, which is only has date, maybe like such ID, title, start date, or just simply date, image, location, does play bachata, does play salsa, does play kizomba. What else? Price, of course, my horse. I don't think, and maybe like external link, external URL is maybe like original post URL or external URL sounds better. What else? I think it's hours, right? So I think these are all local hours. That's something to consider. Okay. When it happens in Istanbul, you don't have to say that it's on Istanbul time. Okay, that's I think that's understandable. Like I can hold it as a string, maybe like let's open this map. Location and hours. So for hours, let's 4 hours. What will we do? Start date time and date time. I really like. I am all. I can't talk English. I am only interested in the hours. Starting hour, ending hour. I mean, I think they can change it. What else? What else? I mean, I can have event series stuff because some of these are events are interlinked with each other. But yeah, I mean, what else? Do I need to specify some more? I think these are okay. Yeah. Okay, I think this is amazing. Yeah, this is amazing. Venue. Venue sounds, yeah, it's instead of, okay, um, ID, title, date of the event, image. No, like maybe there exists a time, but yeah, text, URL file or file path to the event, image, location, maybe like venue might be the more better because location can be like Kadıköy also, but venue is very, very specific. Price of the event. Display, Pachata display, Salsa display, Kizomba external URL, start hour and end hour. The structure allows you to store the necessary information about each event. Depending on the complexity and additional functionalities you want to incorporate into your website, you may consider adding more tables. Here are a few suggestions. Genres table. You can have, yeah. So instead of having them here, you can have a relation that will send you to another table, which is not needed at all right now. So I don't want to include that, yeah. Venues table. Yeah, like venues table. That will be beneficial, but not now, to be honest. User table. If you plan to incorporate user registration, allows user to save favorite events or leave reviews. You can create a user. I think there is only one. Like instead of having this, use venue. I think venue is better. Yeah, venue. This is a perfect table. Okay, I'll just copy it and paste it here. Okay. Initial sketch. So it's yeah. So that's the database table I can have. When I send, I mean, but I don't want to store these as time Django time field. Do we have time field? I don't think we have a time field. Do we? Oh, we do have. Where is the time field? I don't see the time field. Um, let's see. Can we see some things regarding time field? Ah, FA is here. Okay, so like, yeah, probably time field will solve the issue. Anyways, yeah, it will, if it doesn't work, I will just use char field for that. I mean, at least for now. So database table is, I will implement the Django app for this, which will also be called events, I believe. And the only model will be the event model, and the columns will be these. Um, what else? And after having this, I will try, like, to be honest, I'm not sure, like, probably I will use Django admin's page to create these events. I will create them from Django admin. And when I upload the images, I'm thinking where it will be stored. It will probably be stored on my computer. But if I decide to deploy it from somewhere, then I'm not sure how the images will be stored. But I'm just too tired to actually to brainstorm about this right now. I'm just yeah, this is just me talking, but probably with a fresh mind, tomorrow I will manage to make one. I think for tomorrow I can create the website from, yeah, I think I can do it tomorrow. When the design comes, there becomes a new challenge. But I think without the design, I mean, just with Django admin and stuff, I think I will be able to do that. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I just don't know what to do. Maybe the first thing can be deciding on what are the next steps. Yeah, yeah, just that's also a good idea. I can also, yeah, I also thought about this. Yeah, just for keeping it clean. I'm mentioning about FS comment, by the way. Anyways, so I'll just sum it up for the day. Great. Let's end this. Take care.